Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover your Tumblr account. For that, first of all, open up your Tumblr app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of login. Tap on it. Now you'll have to enter your email address. Then select continue. Select enter password. After that, tap on forgot your password, which is at the bottom of your screen. To receive a password reset link, tap on submit, which is on top right of your screen. You will now receive password reset email, so open up your mail. After you open up your mail, there you'll see the option of reset password. Tap on it. Set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. After you are done, tap on set new password. Now go back to your Tumblr app. Enter the password that you have recently set. Then tap on login, which is on top right. This way you can recover your Tumblr account if you have forgotten your password. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.